Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to do this soft pink eye look, and this is great for Valentine's Day or a night out with your friends, and you can also do it for every day because it is very soft and natural. For today's video I have used a Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. With this palette you can create so many romantic makeup looks, and if you don't have this palette you can use some similar shades. For today's look I have used only 4 eyeshadows. I show you 5 different lip options so you can see some colors, how they look with this eye makeup. I have done my brows and my face makeup off camera, and I will have all the products listed in the description box below. Let's start now with this palette here. Some of these eyeshadows are looking very intense and dark, but if you use just a little bit you can make it more wearable. I am taking an eyeshadow brush by Essence. This is a flat eyeshadow brush, and eyeshadow Vermeer. This is a light pink shimmery eyeshadow, and I apply it on my brow bone. I apply my brush on the highest point of my brow, and after that I blend it towards my brow bone. We continue with an eye blender brush by Essence. You can take a fluffy brush that you have. I am taking eyeshadow Buon Fresco and I buff it into my crease. And also blend it towards the brow bone. This eyeshadow gives a very nice dusty lilac color to your skin. Also blend it a little bit outwards so you don't have any harsh lines. If you want, you can also make it a little bit more intense. I will apply just a little bit more so it can be visible into my crease. With a flat eyeshadow brush by Bella Pierre, I will take eyeshadow Love Letter, and as you can see it is a very dark pigmented fuchsia berry eyeshadow. Take just a little bit with your brush and also tap the excess off, and if you think that you have a lot of product on your brush you can just remove a little bit of the product on the back of your hand. With whatever we have, I will just apply it on the outer eyelid. As we can see, this is very soft. I will make it more intense, but I wanted to show you how you can work with this eyeshadow if you just take a little bit of product, twist your brush and also blend it into the crease. If it's not easy for you to blend your colors into the crease, you can also tilt your head back and look into your mirror downwards. This way you can see all the skin here and you can blend easier your eyeshadows. For the outer corner, I always like blending upwards so I can make my eyes more uplifted because my eyes are becoming a little bit droopy here and it looks like I am sad, but I'm not. This technique also works if you have downturned eyes. If you think that this is not a very soft pink eye look, you can just use only one layer. With a clean brush, this is 225 by Zoeva, I will just blend the edges. I will blend this eyeshadow one more time without any product on my bristles. That makes the eyeshadow even softer. I continue blending until I don't see any harsh lines. With the eyeshadow brush that I have used before, I will take again eyeshadow Vermeer. This is one of the most beautiful formulas of shimmery eyeshadow that I have tried, and I also have the Sad Culture palette, but I don't like it. This one is amazing, and I'm thinking about getting the Nirvana palette. No, Norvina! Tap the excess off. This is a very shimmery, shiny eyeshadow, and I will apply it on the inner eyelid. With the brush that I have applied Love Letter, I will blend the two colors together. With a smudging brush by Essence, I am taking eyeshadow Love Letter and I blend it into my lower lash line. Also bring it into the outer corner. I apply a second layer to make the color more visible on my skin. With the same brush, I will take eyeshadow Buon Fresco and I am blending the edges of the lower lash line. As you can see, my eye shape is not very visible now. With an eyebrow brush by Essence, I will take Cypress Amber and I will apply this eyeshadow very close to my lashes to make them look fuller. Tap the excess off with this eyeshadow because it is very pigmented. I clean my brush on a tissue and I continue blending the edges of the brown eyeshadow into the pink eyeshadow. With a pencil brush by Morphe, I will take eyeshadow Vermeer and I will apply it in the inner corner of my eyes. For mascara, I will use this one by Catrice Cosmetics. This is the Glam and Doll Boost Lash Growth Volume Mascara. This is very nice and volumizing. I am still testing the lash growth properties. After that, I am taking the Wet n Wild Contouring Palette in the shade Dulce de Leche. With brush 109, I am taking the contouring shade. I defined the cheekbones, forehead and the sides of my nose. For blush, I'm going to use this blush box by Catrice Cosmetics. This is in the shade Glistening Pink. With brush number 4 by beige Cosmetics, I am taking a little bit of the blush and I apply it on the highest point of my cheeks. And I blend it towards my contouring. For highlighter, I am taking this one by Becca. This is the Shimmering Skin Perfector in Moonstone with brush E40 by Sigma. For this eye makeup, I want to show you some lip options and I will do lip swatches. For these colors, I will show you 3 lipsticks and 2 lip glosses. I am starting with the Marc Jacobs High Shine Gloss in Love Buzz. This is very natural and glossy, and the next one is the Generation Plump and Shine Lip Gloss by Catrice Cosmetics. This is in the shade 60, Sparkling Coral. It is a very nice glossy lip gloss, but it is not plumping. You can also use a very light pink lipstick. I have the Cream Sheen lipstick by MAC in Pink Pearl Pop. For something more affordable, I like the Marshmallow Velvet Matte Lipstick by Essence. This is a dusty pink lipstick and I think it looks very nice with the eyes. If you want something more intense, you can use something like the Viva Glam Taraji P. Henson Matte Lipstick by MAC. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and also let me know in the comments below if you want to see more eye looks. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next video. Bye!